Hello there. In this video, we have lots of cars, various balls, and a homemade football pitch. That can mean only one thing. It's time for the CarSpyTV World Cup. I've been looking forward to this. Right. Let's start by meeting the players. Player 1 is Mrs. CarSpyTV. Her team is born to win. She scored 28,206 goals. She's 6'9" tall, and fun fact, she loves chocolate. Player 2 is me. My team is called Forgot to Practice. I've scored 1 goal, which was disallowed. I'm 6'9" tall and a quarter, and fun fact, I've just bought a new screwdriver. And of course, no football match is complete without a referee. Pink Penguin is our referee. She doesn't understand the offside rule, can't spell her name, is only 9 centimetres tall, and can be bribed with fish. Okay, player 1, what have you done? Yes, you.
Me?
Yes.
Player 1, World Cup. Wow.
Okay. What have you got?
Okay. I would just like to point out right now, having the car doors open is not cheating.
No, that is acceptable.
It is tactical. Okay. It's like a tactical turtleneck.
All right. So which cars have you gone for?
I've got a London Taxi as my substitute player.
Are you expecting an injury then?
Only yours.
Right. Okay.
I've got a red car for
That's
goal.
MGB, GT, yes.
That's what he says.
Yeah.
I've got a Citroen C something or another.
That's a 2CV, yes.
But it's yellow.
Yes. Your favourite colour?
I've got an official race car, which is a Mustang. Oh, there you go. My bonnet opens.
Well, it's probably going to break down, so
Well,
fair
you
enough.
never know. You never know. I've got another yellow car.
Renault 5.
Yeah, I've got another yellow car.
A Dodge.
And I've got a yellow chucky Pat's Parlour.
A Chucky parlour thingy Bobby wants it. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm hoping, this is going to be a really good team.
The winning team, you think?
Yeah, I mean, they're all on form. They've been great this season.
Yes.
I mean, they've all been scoring really good goals, defending and attacking really strongly. They've had a little bit of trouble reading the play charts, but, we'll let them off that. There's been a few misfires.
Yes.
But we've managed to tune them up and get them back into running order.
Into tip-top condition. Well,
Yeah,
most of our
tip-top
cars
condition.
misfire one way or another.
Yeah.
So that leaves me with this magnificent team over here. We have a Ford Escort. I think it's a Mark III. We have a Sierra, a Mark 10 Jag, a Porsche 928.
Yay.
Oh, that's a Range Rover. Oh, that is our mighty BMW 7 Series. Why is that one upside down? That's not a good start.
I thought that was a Ghostbusters car.
It does look a bit like that, doesn't it? Oh yes, and that's my substitute, a Formula 1 car who's super speedy and for some reason, bright pink. Right then, shall I drop it in for the first round?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, ready, steady. Oh, the pitch is getting,
Oh, she nearly got a goal.
Nearly got goals to it away. Oh, you're too, my goal is saved at the rate. That was definitely offside. Referee, what do you think? I think that was offside.
Okay, fair enough.
Referee. Oh, does that mean I get a penalty? How unfortunate. Right, I'm going to go from here then.
You can't go from there.
Well, that's the penalty spot.
No, you have to take it from where it went off.
Oh.
Come on, over
Are you
there.
telling me you actually know the rules of
Yes.
football? Because I don't.
Yes.
It's almost like we're making this up as we go along.
Yeah, no.
Okay, I'll take it from here then. Right, and
If I'm wrong, just leave a comment.
if you're wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the Porsche are going to take the corner. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, we lost that ball.
It was a missed opportunity.
That was close.
No, it was real
Right, there
close.
you go. Oh, come on, BMW, get it back on. Referee's getting it. Oh,
Yay!
no! Straight away.
Team Yellow scored a goal. Team Yellow scored a goal.
Well, that's annoying.
Come on, then. Next
Okay,
one.
1-0. Do you want to chuck in this time?
Yeah, I'll chuck it in.
Okay, hang on, let me get my players.
3 off.
Referee,
Right,
okay.
ready? 3,
Yep.
2, 1, go. Hooray! Yay!
Come on! 2-0. Okay, right, I'll chuck it in this time. Guys, you've got to do better. Much better. The Mark 10 Jag in particular is letting me down. All right, are you ready?
Steady,
Go.
go. Hooray!
Oh. Offside. Okay. Well, I don't know what offside means, but there you go.
Oh, but I booted it off. So you get to...
So I get a penalty then. All right. Well, I'll take a penalty from about down here somewhere. About just behind your goal.
Get off over there.
Where did it go off? About here?
I don't know.
Okay. Right. Okay. The BMW 7 Series is going to take this shot. But look, you completely blocked it up. I've got no chance here. I want to do a header.
Oh! Yay!
Come on. Okay. I'm not sure that was in play, but we'll allow it. So what's that? 3-1. 3-1. Okay. Right. So Ford Escort is going centre field. Oh, the Renault 5. Returns. That was close.
It was close. Yes! Woo!
Stop it. A lap of water. How many is that? 4-1.
8-1.
I get a funny feeling I'm going to lose this quite badly. Okay. Right. 4-1 to player 1.
Yeah.
So there you are. Your turn to drop in.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
That was just chucking into my goal. That was definitely a foul. Referee, come on. Yes.
Okay.
Right, okay, so drop it in. You've got to knock it in with your cars. Maybe a 2CV. That's slow. Get back. Go. Okay. He pulled one back. So 2-4, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, get back over there. We want you. Stop it. Oh, lost the ball.
Oh, well, get another one.
That's not, I can reach it.
Oh, come on.
I got it.
Yellow ball.
Right, the Escort's going to take this shot.
Oh, it's gone.
We'll never see that again.
No.
Okay. A blue ball. My lucky blue ball. I think I'm going to start winning now. Is it 2-4 still?
No, right. It's about 8-6, isn't it?
Get out of here. It's not 8-6. Oh, go, get back over there. You're messing up. Okay. 2-5. Okay, right. Your turn to chuck in.
Okay.
I'm going to take all your players off. You don't need that one. Okay. What's your player doing all the way over here? Get back on your side. Right. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Oh! It's offside.
Offside. Okay. Who knocked it offside? You or me? You. Okay. Well, I'll take a shot from somewhere fair. How about here?
No, get back.
Down there.
No, get back.
Your MG is completely in the way. It's blocking. What's all this?
What? My
Oh. Get back. Right. Oh, no.
You're buying the pizza tonight if you lose. You know this,
Pizza?
don't you? Yeah.
What do you mean when I lose? It's a big if. It's all to play for, whatever the scores are. Get back.
Oh, man.
That was gone.
It's gone.
Okay, well, I've got some more balls here.
Bites the dust.
The referee's fallen over. You okay?
Substitute.
Yes, I'm going to substitute.
I'm going to substitute my 2CV. There you go.
All right, okay.
I've lost. Hang
on. You don't need all these cars. Just take them all off. Just get rid of them all. Right, my turn. Okay.
I feel at a slight disadvantage.
No. The ball's under the pitch.
Oh! Yay!
How many is that?
8.
18-0, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
18-0,
yeah.
All right. Well, shall we do one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
One more.
Right, there's your toys. I'm in your cars. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm going to line up my goal like this. There we go. Right, good luck now. I'll get myself.
Oh, it's in.
Well, it was a closely fought match.
Why do all of our games end like this?
Complete carnage.
Yeah.
They always have.
Complete carnage and disarray.
Yes. When we used to play poker, it just used to be all in every hand, didn't it?
Yeah.
All in, lost. All in, lost.
Yeah. That's it. Never mind.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, there is no prize. I'll shake your hand very gently.
Yeah, please, gently. Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Well, there we go. The CarSpyTV World Cup.
Yes. We made a really good game out of a good game.
TV history.
Yeah, it's going to be TV history. They'd be talking about this for millennia. It'd be like 1966 all over again.
What happened in 1966?
I don't know. Just
something.
Yeah, just something happened in 1966.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Well, there we go. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you. And you. Well done, you. You got a goal. Yeah.
One
goal. Yeah, one goal is better than nothing.
I just think I scored a moral victory, if not a numerical victory.
Maybe.
Right. Right, well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV.
Yes, yeah, and leave some comments below. You know, if you know the offside rule, let us know.
Yeah, we've got no idea.
No.
As you can probably tell. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.